This video shows you the algorithms for 2-look PLL so that you can always permute the pieces on your last layer in 2 algorithms or less. So once we've oriented our last layer, we can learn some more algorithms to permute our last layer so that we only ever need to execute 2 algorithms in any solve. So for the corners of the last layer, again, you'll either have the case where the corners are all solved to start with, which is fantastic. You'll have the case where these 2 corners need to be swapped and you have this headlights on the left. So you should know this algorithm already. It's from the beginner tutorial. It goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. The other case that you can get is that there are no headlights around all 4 sides, and that means that 2 corners need to be swapped diagonally on your cube. The algorithm for that I taught you in the 3rd module, which goes like this: R prime, U, L prime, U2, R, U prime, L, R prime, U, L prime, U2, R, U prime, L. To permute the edges of our last layer, there are 4 different possible cases, so here they are. So this first case is where we need to permute 3 edges in an anti-clockwise direction. That is, this edge needs to go to this position, this edge needs to go over here, and this edge needs to go over here. You learnt this algorithm again in the beginner's method, and it goes like this: R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. The second case is where you have 3 edges that need to be permuted, but they need to go in a clockwise direction. So this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here. And the algorithm to solve it goes like this: R2U, RU, R prime U prime, R prime U prime, R prime U, R prime. So there are 2 possible other cases which require 4 edges to be solved. So this first case is where the edges need to be swapped opposite from one another. So as in, this one needs to be swapped with this one, and this one needs to be swapped with this one. The algorithm for this case goes like this: M2U, M2U2, M2U, M2. The other possible case where you need to solve all 4 edges is like this, where the edges that need to be swapped are adjacent to one another. So here these 2 need to be swapped, and here these 2 need to be swapped. So you hold it like this, where the 2 edges that need to be swapped are in the front and right and left and back positions, and you perform the following algorithm: M2U, M2U, M prime U2, M2U2, M prime. And that will solve them. So learning the 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL algorithms should make your last layer more efficient and faster.